What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Fashion Nova Curve try-on haul. I picked up a bunch of random pieces, but I feel like a lot of this would be great for spring. I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. I will have everything linked below as always. I will also leave my Instagram link down below as well if you guys would like to follow me there. But without further ado, let's get into this haul. Okay, if you guys have watched my videos before, you know I have a hard time with pants, with bottoms. But I've been branching out. I've been getting some like wide leg pants and I've actually been loving them. But I've noticed that since the bottom half of me is like baggier, I want the top half to be like something I'm wearing right now, which is a little bit shorter and tighter. I feel like it just balances out nicely. So I picked this top up. I thought it was such a pretty blue. They did have this in a few different colors, but I thought this was such a pretty color. Very stretchy. I really like the material it's made out of. It has like some nice texture to it. And it does have a collar, of course, and buttons. Now the thing with the buttons is I'm probably gonna have to go in and sew like a little, just like pretty much tack in between each button, because when it pulls, you can kind of see like my skin, I guess, through it. So the shirt, I wouldn't say this is too tight. It's just one of those tops that like always is gonna pull no matter what. I think it's like the material. So that was kind of annoying. However, it's not a big deal for me to go in and tack in between each button. I think that's what I'm gonna do later today because I freaking love this top. I got it in a 3X and it is stretchy. You know those tops you just know you're gonna love like before you even have it in hand? I think that was one of them because I also picked it up in this pretty cream color. Again, it's the same exact top, so it does pull in the button area. I'm just gonna go in and fix that later today. Picked it up in a 3X and it is stretchy. I noticed a lot of things on the Fashion Nova website are like one shoulder or like off the shoulder, just on one side. Love that. So I picked one of them up. This is a crop top, long sleeve, made of that really stretchy like mesh material. The body portion of this shirt is double lined, so it's not see-through, and it kind of helps like, I don't want to say suck you in, but it just feels like not like a flimsy material. It makes it feel like, oh, this is on me. It is one shoulder, like I mentioned, and it does have ruching on one side where you can like ruche it up more or pull it down to have it be just a little bit longer on that side, and then you can tie it in a cute bow. But love this, love the print of it, and got it in a 3X and it is stretchy. I picked up this denim jacket and it is more of a cropped, like really wide jacket. I just thought this would be cute to wear, just kind of something different. It does have like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like not distressing. I don't even know, it's like a bleached effect almost in some areas. And the waist does have a drawstring, so you can cinch in your waist if you would like. But I just think this is really cute to throw on as like an oversized jacket with just about any outfit. Picked it up in a 3X and it is not stretchy. Okay, this next top I picked out thinking that it was a possibility to wear this to a concert I'm going to coming up. But unfortunately it was too small. It's not made of a stretchy material, but I just think it's so cute. I'm going to a country concert, like I said, and I don't know why, I just felt like this would be so freaking cute with some jeans and maybe boots or something. But it doesn't fit, it's a little bit too small. I mean, it fits, I still tried it on, you guys will see it. But the material, it's like when you go like this, you know how it's just too tight there. So I'm definitely gonna save this one because it will fit soon. Picked it up in a 3X and it is so cute. Oh. Okay, next up is an item that also did not fit. I didn't even try it on for the video. Like, it would not button at all. So once again, I'm gonna hold on to these because they're just a little bit unique and like, I don't know, they're just so cute. I also had this in mind, like maybe it could be an option for this country concert, but it didn't quite work out that way. That's okay. But it is just a pair of jeans, but look at the leg. Like, I just love that unique detail right there with the star on the knee. I think it's so adorable. These jeans are, I think on the website it said low stretch, and I knew better. I have to get things that are stretchy on the bottom, but I didn't. I picked them up in a size 22. It says 99% cotton, 1% spandex, in case that matters to you guys. But 22 didn't quite fit, but it's almost there. Love these. Okay, this is another item that didn't work, but it wasn't too small. It just did not fit my body correctly. It's this black jumpsuit. The top, like the arms and the entire back are a see-through mesh, and then it just goes out into some black flowy pants. It does really like cinch in your waist, and it has pockets. I just think the cut of it in the front was so low. I mean, if I like let it open, you could damn near see my belly button. I feel like it was like so low. If there was like a little teeny clasp there, so that way your boobs aren't showing, I feel like I may have liked it better, but it was just like an ill-fitting piece for me. But on the site, I do remember picking out, and I was like, wow, that's so cute. So I will pop a picture in of what it looks like on the model. Pick this up in a 3X, and parts of it are stretchy. The bottom half, let's see. Yeah, the bottom half is stretchy. The mesh portion is not at the top. Okay, the next dress I picked up reminds me of spring. It also reminds me of like a fairy for some reason. But this color is so pretty. The sleeves are super flowy, and it is a shorter dress. I love the, I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but the lining on this dress, I really like it a lot. The part up top, I don't know, like was it too small maybe on me? I'm not sure, but I feel like the part that goes on your shoulders was too far out and would keep sliding down, so keep that in mind. Even if the part that goes on your shoulders had that like rubber material to keep it from sliding, that would even help. But overall, I still thought the dress was super cute. Love the color. Picked it up in a 3X, and it is slightly stretchy. All right, another dress is this red and white one. So cute, so flowy, love this. I don't know why, but I feel like this just reminds me of like a vacation in Mexico. It is so beautiful, I just love it. This top portion is made of like that elastic material, so it's a very stretchy, very like form-fitting, and then the bottom half is made of a non-stretchy material and is very flowy. But overall, loved this one. Picked it up in a 3X, and I thought the fit was great. This next dress is the last dress, I believe, and it's an all black dress. It's like a maxi dress, very long. This one I picked up, I think it was the last haul, maybe the haul before that, in like a lime green color, and I loved it so much that I said, you know what? We're getting it in black. And it did not disappoint. I love this dress. I love this dress so much. It is so pretty. It has pockets. You cannot beat that. The waist portion that sits like right under your boobs is very stretchy. The rest of it is like a non-stretch, like gauzy material, but it's very heavy duty, double lined, so pretty. Got it in a 3X again, and I thought the fit was absolutely perfect. Okay, next up I got this jacket, and I'm gonna be honest, I thought I took this out of my cart before I placed the order. I did not. I don't know where I would wear this to, but it is a very long camel colored jacket with fringe. It's giving Western. Maybe I was thinking, oh, the concert's indoors, maybe I can wear it. But it's just too much, and I know it's gonna be hot in there, so definitely not wearing it to the concert. I mean, it is cute, it's just like, I just don't know where I would wear it to. But it was very comfortable. The inner part is lined with like a silkier material, and I picked it up in a 3X, and I thought the fit was great. Okay, now that I have branched out to like baggier jeans and like different cuts of jeans instead of always wearing skinny jeans, now I'm like, all right, what can I do in the way of skirts? You know, we gotta branch out even more. So I picked up two skirts. First one was this black with white like lines, and it's made of like a gauzy material. It has all these panels, like there's a lot, you know, there's a lot going on. The waist is elastic, has a tie, but it doesn't actually like cinch you in, it's just there for looks. And then there is a cutout portion here where you can like show a little leg. I thought this was really cute. It is, did I say that already? Stretchy up here at the waist. Very cute, and I picked it up in a 3X. Okay, last skirt was this one. I think I like this one more than the black one. I think the cutout on that one may have looked a little weird on me, I'm not sure. But this one is just a green one, similar with the different like panels. And I like the waist on this one. It's very thick and very stretchy. And I just think this with like a little crop top would be super cute. Some little booties or something. Maybe this can be a concert option as well. Picked it up in the 3X and the fit was perfect. So that was everything that I picked out from Fashion Nova. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, leave them for me down below and I will get back to you. I do respond a little bit quicker on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.